Hello everyone. Most of the student confuse between aging and senescence. So in this video, I am trying to clarify all the doubts of them. Here I am distinguish the aging and the senescence. So how? First of all, we have to know the definition of aging and senescence. What is aging? Aging is the process of growing old. It is the process of growing old. And in case of senescence, what is senescence? It is a consequences of aging. Consequence of aging. Okay, aging, it is the process of growing old, and senescence, it is a consequence of aging. Okay, then the second point or the second differentiation between aging and senescence is aging is, it is the sum of changes, it is the sum of changes occurring in the whole plant in course of time. Okay, so aging, it is the sum of changes occurring in the whole plant in course of a particular time or in course of time. But in case of senescence, it is the stage of development, it is the stage of development processes that leads to the death of senescence. That leads to the death is called as senescence. Okay, so senescence, it is the stage of development process that leads to death is senescence. But in case of aging, it is the sum of changes occurring in the whole plant in course of a particular time or in course of time. Okay, and the third definition between aging and senescence is, the third point is, aging includes all the chemical and structural changes in cell, tissue and organs during plant's life. Okay, aging, it includes all the chemical and structural changes in cell or tissue and organs during plant's life. But in case of senescence, it is the metabolic failure or cellular breakdown increases while functional activities decreases in plant. Okay, so senescence, it is the metabolic failure or cellular breakdown increases while functional activities decreases in plant. But in case of aging, it includes all the chemical and structural changes in cell, tissue or organs during plant life. So this is the difference or basic difference between aging and senescence. Okay, so I hope you are all sorry. So I hope you are all clear about the aging and the senescence. And if you want to know about the death of the aging and senescence, you can comment me. I can try to make a video about the depth of aging and senescence. But this is the basic difference between aging and senescence. Thank you.